La la la. We'll take these things at the home so we will, if we are hungry, then we will eat.
The party's over, girls. Come on, let's go home. Today you have to finish your homework
But we have to
and finish all the first chapters of you have done in your copies and your exercise book.
Okay. Wait a minute. Are there my friends? Oh, hello, Alina. Oh, hello. Nice to meet you. Oh, yes, you too. Mommy, my friend's over here.
Okay, you can play. You have 10 minutes.
Okay, these are enough for me. Anya, look, Anila, come.
I don't want to come. I have headache. I want to sit here.
Kids don't have headache.
Okay.
I know. You're joking. Come on.
I'm not feeling well.
Okay, let's play. If you will challenge her. Okay. Yeah, I was. Do you want to eat something? No.
Mommy told me don't eat anything anywhere.
Okay.
And I'm good child of my mommy.
Okay, stop me. Stop it, pineapple. Go in there. Stupid. Corn. Go in there.